Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to send money from Payoneer to another bank account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, using Payoneer, especially if you're new, can be kinda confusing. And you might be wondering, how do you send money from your Payoneer account to another bank account? This case, we'll be following a step or a guide directly from Payoneer itself. So first thing we need to do is we need to access our Payoneer account via the website or the app itself. You can get their app via App Store or the Google Play Store. Now it's going to give you methods here on what you need to do. So you first need to identify which country you want to send to, and you also need to add your details as well as the recipient's information. Now, in this case, before you actually proceed with the payment of actually sending money, Payoneer will also ask for identification like proof of ID and whatnot, since you'll be sending abroad or if you're using your bank account. Now, also, once you've done that and provide all the details, it's going to give you or redirect you to the payment section. You just need to proceed with it. In this case, how do we apply this into our account? So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and access Payoneer here. And from here at the left panel here, let's go and go to Pay here. And from here, go to the Pay to Recipient's bank account. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, this will redirect us to this page here, which in this case, you need to add the recipient's bank account. Now, if you haven't added your banking details yet, this is where you'll be able to see it. So in this case, you need to first add your banking details before you'll be able to add your recipient's bank details. In this case, let's go ahead and click on Add Bank Details for our recipient. And from here, you need to click on Add Bank Account. So also, if you want to add your bank account here, go to your account section and just click on Add Bank Account. In this case, let's go to recipient, click on Add Bank here, and you just need to provide all the necessary details here. So for example, if this is a personal or a business and what country it is, so you could go ahead and select your bank's currency. So I'm going to select this one, click on Next. You just need to enter recipient's detail here, as well as the account details and the confirm Payoneer account details. Now, once you've done that, you just need to click on Add Bank Account here, and it will redirect you to the next page, which in this case, select the bank that we just added. And from then on, once you've selected your bank, you just need to proceed with the payment, and from then on, you should be good. Just follow the steps that you'll be seeing on your screen, and you should be good. That's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.